Hi friends, my name is Hussein. Welcome to my channel Tech Vision. Today we will learn how to make the Gmail account or sign up for Gmail. It, it is very necessary for Google Play Store or install any other software from Google Chrome. Let's start the video. First, write here create account. First name, last name, and username which you want to use. Password and confirm for password. Next, write here your phone number. Next, and you will get the verification code on your phone number that you will be right here. Next, date of birth, gender, and next. Yes, I am. I agree. And your account has been created. You can see here I am Chavez at gmail.com. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks very much for watching this video.